I'm Lucy. I currently work at Toyota. I started here as an apprentice 2 years ago, starting as one of Dysgu's first production apprentices. So I work in the casting plant currently, so it's there where you start the process of making the engine. So we would melt down metal into molten aluminium, where it's then casted into the blocks and the cylinder heads, which is then sent to machining for the rest of the work to get done to create the final engine. The benefits of being an apprentice is you get to learn a lot of skills and knowledge whilst also working and getting paid at the same time. We get to join a lot of courses and learn a lot of outside things, and being able to implement that into our work, so you get to use both skills and put them together. One of the things we got to learn was how to change a battery, which is something I'd never would do before unless I'd started the apprenticeship, so that was really interesting. And also during our time as an apprentice, we were able to do an out of bounds course with work, so that was really interesting as well, so that stood out. So the advice I'd give to anyone looking to be an apprentice is just make sure that you're willing to put in the effort and willing to learn. It will be a different environment, especially for people that have never been to work before, but you'll be able to get a lot of benefits out of it. You'll be able to learn loads of new skills, meet new people, and you'll be able to start a career from there. So it's really, really good if you're looking to do it.